Welcome to Gadgets Insider. Today, we're blending convenience and tech with the best self-cleaning blenders in 2025 for smoothies on the go, all top-rated on Amazon. Let's dive in. Number 1. Magic Bullet. The Magic Bullet Blender Small Black 11-piece set is your go-to solution for quick and easy blending. With a 250-watt high-torque motor, it blends, mixes, and chops in seconds. Its compact, lightweight design is perfect for single-serve use. BPA-free cups and dishwasher-safe parts ensure hassle-free cleanup. Includes versatile accessories and a handy recipe guide for endless kitchen creativity. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. KOIOS Smoothie Blender. The KOIOS Smoothie Blender features a powerful 900-watt motor with advanced pulse technology, reaching speeds up to 23,000 RPM for fast, efficient blending. Its upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blade crushes ice and tough ingredients with ease, delivering smooth results in just 10 seconds. It includes two 22-ounces BPA-free portable cups with to-go lids and carrying hooks, perfect for busy lifestyles. Safety lock design, dishwasher-safe parts, and easy-to-clean removable blades add convenience. Plus, a recipe book helps you create nutritious shakes, juices, and more with ease. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. KOKUNST Portable Blender. The KOKUNST Portable Blender is a compact, cordless smoothie maker with a 17 ounces capacity, perfect for travel, office, or gym. Equipped with 6 sharp stainless steel blades and a 22,000 RPM motor, it effortlessly blends fruits and veggies. Its USB-C rechargeable battery, LED power display, and safety magnetic lock ensure convenience and safety. Easy to clean and simple to use, it includes an extra handle lid for drinking on the go. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. The Ganiza Smoothie Blender is a powerful 900-watt personal blender and grinder combo designed for versatility and speed. With 25,000 RPM, it effortlessly blends tough ingredients and even crushes ice. This 15-piece set includes multiple BPA-free cups, lids, and blades for smoothies, shakes, sauces, or grinding spices. Built-in safety lock, non-slip pads, and self-cleaning feature offer peace of mind. Perfect for anyone looking to create healthy recipes at home with ease. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. KOKUNST Portable Blender. The KOKUNST Portable Blender offers a powerful, compact solution for smoothies on the go. With a 34.1 ounces BPA-free cup, USB-C charging, and a 19,990 RPM turbo motor, it blends fruits, small ice, and veggies with ease. The 6-blade stainless steel design ensures smooth results in seconds. Featuring a leak-proof lid, sip spout, and carry strap, it's perfect for travel, gym, or office. Dishwasher-safe parts and one-hand operation make it super convenient. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.